Have you ever wondered how massive machines can complete exhausting tasks so quickly and efficiently? Join us as we explore the most innovative and incredible machinery found in factories around the world. From sophisticated production lines to high-tech equipment, you'll be amazed by their precision and ingenuity. Watch the entire video so you don't miss these incredibly satisfying moments. Imagine a world where planting trees doesn't require manual labor. No shovels, no digging, just pure automation. Witness the incredible machine that can green the earth in seconds. First, a precision drilling system digs the perfect hole, ready for a young tree to be placed. No backbreaking work, just smooth, efficient automation. Thanks to cutting-edge automation, this machine not only plants trees but ensures each seedling is positioned correctly, standing tall and secure for optimal growth. Impressed by this machine? Stay tuned for more groundbreaking innovations that are changing the world. What if weeds could be eliminated in seconds, without chemicals, without labor-intensive removal? Meet the fire-powered weed burner, a machine that turns unwanted vegetation to ash with precision and speed. As the machine advances, its widespread flame system ignites, releasing controlled bursts of fire that engulf the overgrown weeds. In just moments, what was once an untamed patch of land is reduced to clean, fertile soil. Unlike chemical herbicides, this method is eco-friendly, leaving no toxic residue behind. The flames burn away weeds, preventing regrowth while keeping the land safe for future crops. It's controlled, efficient, and built for large-scale agricultural use. Ever wondered how thousands of fish are sorted so quickly and efficiently? No human hands, no guesswork, just pure automation at its finest. Ever wondered how millions of eggs are sorted, handled, and packed without a single crack? No human hands, no mess, just the magic of automation. Using advanced sensors and cameras, the system instantly detects imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality eggs make it to the next stage. No sudden movements, no damage. Each robotic gripper adjusts its pressure to safely transfer eggs without breaking a single one. From small, medium, to jumbo-sized eggs, every piece is perfectly categorized, ensuring consumers get the exact quality they expect. With automation, the entire process runs smoothly and efficiently, sorting, packing, and preparing thousands of eggs per minute with zero human error. You fascinated by this seamless operation? Stay tuned for more groundbreaking advancements in food processing technology. With automation, the entire process, from winding to finishing, is done in seconds, eliminating human error and maximizing efficiency. Ever wondered how your favorite ice cream bars are made? From creamy filling to a smooth chocolate coating, every step is automated for perfection. How do you cut through solid steel that's inches thick? No saw, no grinder, just pure firepower. Watch as this high-intensity flame jet slices through metal with ease. With temperatures reaching over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,650 degrees Celsius. This cutting torch turns solid steel into liquid metal, effortlessly carving through the thick surface. You've just witnessed some of the most brilliant machines and high-tech tools. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join us for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.